this campsite today. It's noon. We're having water. It's been a long night. This gal took some time to decorate this tree. Tell us about it.
One can at a time. We went through a lot of effort.
These are friends of ours from WeFest that came over this year to join us. You are who?
Charlie.
Come on. I thought we had this rehearsed. 1, 2, 3. We are who?
Lucky Liquor Pig!
Nice to meet you. I'm Bill. Doris, nice to meet you. So you're the first generation? I hear there's 3 generations.
How's everybody doing?
We're fine.
Good. How are you?
Having a great time.
Good.
Our first year here.
Would you like a jello shot?
Cherries are thicker.
What is it?
Buttermilk. Red grape
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk.
Homemade wine.
Got some chicken legs. Would you like one?
Chicken legs.
We have like a teriyaki or a plain. Here I am at Utterville with a pick a duck for $1. You grab the duck, you look under the number. What do we got there? 4 or 6? Number 4. We come down here.
Miller Lite.
Miller Lite.
Yeah!
I must say, I want a Miller Lite. Miller Lite's our sponsor. Thank you, Miller Lite, out there today. Thank you.
But we've been here, right?
This here's the tiki hut, and not quite intoxicated enough to be speaking, but
I hear that Moondance Jammin Country Fest, you can find girls that'll marry you in a week.
this is true.
Is that right?
This is true.
What do we have here?
This here's Cassie.
Come on, a little action here.
Jammin Country, take me away!
Ooh. Yeah, it is a pineapple. How couldn't you tell? Do you know how hard we worked on this?
Neat, huh?
Can you tell us where we're at?
We're at Bushwood Country Estates. Well, we're White Trash Trailer Park. And we had, we're having a great time. You're your baby daddy. Yeah, that's recent.
Hurry up!
Oh, hey, roller.
I was good back in the day.
Miss Trailer Park Girl, 1987.
Oh my God.
That's what I'm talking about.
How you doing?
This is an old Moondance rocker, Danny P. Retired. Learn to be still. Learn to be still. Jesse Ventura's little brother. Oh, God. It ain't bad. Hi, hon. Beach Boys. Go Moondance. Okay,
Jammin Country!
Now topless.
Right your beer!
We want to say hi to one of our best sponsors, Miller Brewing Company, and the guy that drank all the beer. This guy right here. Hi, Tommy. Tommy G. Tommy G. Would you get a bigger buck?
We get beads.
Then we're right there.
Right, there was everyone else complains because they're too far away. Was I close? Renee, these are those sponsors. Renee, that's not
So, what's your native name?
Get away from
Fox woman?
You ready to turn around?
We're jammers. No, we're only been to this one. You've only been to country? Only since
You guys want beers?
all 3.
Hey, you like a baby bird? Attaboy!
Yellow shots, cock shots.
This is our peach schnapps and vodka watermelon. It's been soaking for about 2 hours. We got about 3 to go. We're waiting for it to go down.
Then we're gonna eat it.
Hey! Now there's a man with a pair of earrings. Look at him. You recognize him?